In this video, I will explain how to use draw tab options. In draw tab options, we have different tools to draw in your page. For example, we have different kinds of pens, black pen and black pen size, different sizes, that is a thin size and somewhat thick size, red pen, and blue pen, thin size and thick size. Suppose you select any one and you can draw here like this. Where you want and how you want you can draw. Okay, and in draw we have different, suppose highlighting tools like this, and like this we have highlighting tools. Instead of drawing tools we can also select highlighting tools, and we have more highlighting tools and more drawing tools. Like that we can highlight or we can draw using these options. So here we are having color and thickness. See, I can select the pen or highlighter option. Suppose if you select pen option, you can select the thickness of the pen and you can select the color of the pen. From the basic options you can select this option. Now you can draw like this using the particular color and particular thickness. See, new color and new thickness came like this. And even for highlighter also you can select a new color like this, and thickness also you can select for highlighter. For example, I am selecting this color, so new highlighter will come using the particular color. Okay, like that you can change the thickness and colors of highlighters or pens. Okay, and you can draw different shapes, what we already know in MS Word. Draw different shapes available here. Using these basic shapes and graphs you can draw the lines or something. We changed the thickness, that's why it is showing the same thickness. If you want you can reduce the thickness also. Suppose for highlighter I am selecting this one and select. Now if you draw it will be like this. Okay, and you can insert space. Suppose here I want some space, so like that I can insert space using draw. And we can also arrange different objects from backward to forward, forward to backward. Suppose if this is the object and we have more objects, means to select an object we are having the selection tool, and I am placing this particular rectangle here, that is in backward, actually backward to the arrow. If you want to bring forward, what you will do, you will arrange bring to forward. See, now that is forward to the arrow, and you can also send it back. Send backward. You can see the difference, and you can also rotate the object into the particular angle. Okay, and ink to math is there. Draw ink to math. So already, suppose if you want, you can erase already existed one like this, and you can write something. Suppose a plus b not connected, or it is giving. So if it is wrong means you can remove it. Write again a plus b okay, whole square. And square I am giving. So now you can insert. If there is any correction, select the particular area using the tool, lasso tool, and you can correct it using different options. Suppose like this. If you want, you can correct like that. And again, if you want to correct the same with different options, or you can clear that one. Totally clear. And again, you can write a plus b whole square. Okay, now you can insert that particular mathematics to your document, to your page. Okay, like that we can use the draw options.